Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here at this Venus gym, one of the most popular gyms in Dubai. This is just one of the 4 rooms or something. It's like crazy gym. Big congratulations to all of you on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on BNB, on pretty much all of the altcoins that we've been looking at, of all the stocks, Google, Tesla, TSM up 7% today. Big congratulations to all of you. I'm going to quickly show you, I asked just the community a few hours ago if they did, so I just posted here. Everyone, in my next video, I'll show these messages and gains. If you want to share your profits, percent gains, money gains, I'll show in this chat. This was just like a few hours ago, and you can see here 2 hours ago. This student, 80%, 232%, 151%. This is over the last few days, 28%, 232%, life-changing. 533%, 198%. Where in the world can you make these kind of percentage gains? This student, $113. Any amount of gains is amazing. Thanks so much, James. You nailed it. The limit order, 86% Bitcoin, 219%. It's 290%, 127%. This was just a few hours ago. These are all different people in the free Telegram alerts, crypto guru alerts in the description. 430%, 220%. 176%, 98%. It's just amazing. Big congratulations to all of you, everyone who's doing this. If you want to learn it as well, we're trading on Bybit. The link is down below, and you can take the crypto master course. More than 7,000 students, and many people taking the courses now because they're seeing the gains that you can make. And there's nowhere else really you can turn $100 into thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's why you need to learn this. If you have millions of dollars, you still need to learn this, because you need to know what to do and how to. If you exited with me on November 11, 2021, whether you're a millionaire, billionaire, thousandaire, and now you're starting to buy, and you started to buy down the bottom, you've massively already compounded your gains. You didn't lose 70 to 90% like everyone else, and now you have that 100% of your gains to now buy it. You bought at the bottom, now it's up 30%. It's massively compounding. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. This is Ethereum. Ethereum broke out exactly as I predicted on the daily charts as well. If you were following my videos, we were on this big support line. If we go on to the weekly candles, this goes back to 2017. You can see here that Ethereum came right down to that trend line, bounced off it, and it perfectly played out. And when we zoom in, you can see that trade setup we have, and it just started this movement out of this big descending triangle that started on August. This triangle started August 22, 2022 and headed down, and you can see that it broke above it, and we're already up massively on that trade, which was opened at 1,319. If this runs, 2,400 is the first really big resistance for Ethereum. 2,400. Let's go into Bitcoin now, which is beautiful. MCRT also having a massive run the last few days. Bitcoin is above 19,000, everyone. Right now it's above 19,000, and this is on the daily candles. This is the big descending trend line. This is the Bitcoin breakout. We bought it perfectly at the bottom. Actually, I called the bottom. We've been buying Bitcoin, and the trade is active. We made a W formation. We already broke the neckline of the W, which if from that neckline, that will be taking us this neckline distance, as I teach in the crypto master course. That neckline is taking us to 20,700, and you can also see we broke this big descending triangle. And I showed this before in my other video. A big descending triangle is this pattern. This is the pattern we had on Bitcoin that we've now broken through, and we were at 18 when I showed this yesterday. And this is a falling wedge, and you can see what a falling wedge creates. You can see the exact same pattern that's playing out on Bitcoin right now, falling wedge pattern. So if this plays out, target will be 25,000 for Bitcoin. And yesterday I made another $200,000, me personally, another $200,000 plus day. I started off the day at plus 3,400 on stocks. It was up plus 5,000. I also had 139,000 in one of the crypto trading accounts. I had this trading account as well. Oh no, that's a student. I had this account, 170,000, which is up. And now my Bybit account is actually up a lot more. It's now at 181,000. So I made $15,000 on this account yesterday, which is beautiful. I've got in here 5.1 Bitcoin. I've got 35,000 MCRT dollars worth, 8.3 million MCRT. I've got 7,000 USDT, and I think Bitcoin is going to go for more of a run. So I'm going to buy more Bitcoin. I've got some Ethereum in here. On derivatives, I've got AVAX trade is set at $14. I've got a big AVAX trade set to open at $14. My Bitcoin trade is up $4,780, 242%. This trade is a $40,000 Bitcoin trade, 2.3 Bitcoin. I've got this 76 BNB trade, which is up $2,490, which is beautiful, just mega gains all around. Now I'm going to buy $5,000 worth of Bitcoin at the current price, because I do think we're still just getting ready for a run. $5,000 worth of Bitcoin at the current price. Buy Bitcoin, buy, and I'm going to buy MCRT, I'll buy another 1,000 MCRT. I've been buying almost $1,000 a day of MCRT at the current price. Confirmed, which is beautiful. Those trades are now set and they're executing Bitcoin and BNB, Bitcoin and MCRT. I've got 181,000 in here. I think it just went up $1,000. I've got Bitcoin now 5.4 that's being executed, that trade. MCRT 8.3 million, which is beautiful. Now, if you haven't taken a trade on Bitcoin, let's see, on the daily it's overbought, on the 4 hourly overbought, but it's making another run, still above 19K. No real pullbacks, because people, and both the trades that we had open are massively in the profits, those two trades from the before. Let's set up another trade. So now I'm going to set up another trade on Bitcoin. I would go long on Bitcoin actually from here, because I don't think people are going to be selling here, in my opinion. Like, even if you bought it at 15K, not a lot of people will be selling at the bottom here. That's why you can get these really strong run-ups off the bottom, because people are at a point where they don't want to sell their alts. They don't want to sell their Bitcoin. It's too oversold. They've just been buying it. So this is the Bitcoin trade that I would take right now. And the target's still 25,000. So that gives us a 27 risk to reward ratio trade. Actually, the stop loss can just be below the daily support here. So I'm risking, so the trade is 42 risk to reward ratio trade. I'm risking $152 to make $6,432. Risking again $152 to make $6,439. Nowhere else can you risk $152 to make $6,439 without leverage. That's without leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $64,000 of profits. With 20x leverage, that would be $128,000 of profits. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin right now, which is beautiful. And look at the gains. I already showed the gains the students made, but you can see just many people. This student, James the Great, beautiful, he made $1,600 on Ethereum, $4,500 on Bitcoin. This student made $5,500 profit on Bitcoin. James the best, James best man, sharing so much knowledge. You're welcome. This student 514%. And I also asked the community on Telegram. It's a free Telegram alerts group. I asked the community, have you taken the crypto master course yet? 288 votes. James Crypto Guru, 21% have taken the course, 79% not yet taken the course. And many people talking about their buying the course, etc., just about to buy it, which is beautiful. I don't make so much money from courses, but I want you to learn how to do this. MCRT also the last few days having quite a big run up. Today, a little bit of a pullback. The last 7 days, beautiful run up on MCRT. You can get it on multiple exchanges. You have to do your own due diligence. And if you want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum and BNB, if you want to do all these trades, look at all the gains from the students. These are all my students' trades. Look at these percentages, 293%, 100. These are the last few days of students' gains, which is amazing. Congratulations to all of you. I love to make you all rich. And if you want to trade, under the video here in the description, you can sign up to Bybit down below. If you use that link, you can get up to $30,000 worth of bonuses, but you need to do it quite quickly before the time runs out. Using that link, you can take the course, Crypto Guru Master Course with 7,000 students. Join the free Telegram alerts group. Love you all. Keep going. If you missed out some of these trades, just keep learning. Your goal is to learn how to do this for the next 20, 50 years. It's about compounding your portfolio, learning about the market, syncing with the market, learning technical analysis. Doesn't matter if you missed one trade, one day, 1 month, 1 week. It's about learning and practicing and understanding to protect your money. Sell the tops, buy the bottoms or close to it. Doesn't need to be exact, even though I was the only one in the world that had the exact day of the top. Thank you for watching, everyone. Love you and have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.